This bathroom was completely stripped and remodeled from top to bottom. What used to be here in this section of the bathroom was a bathtub that was framed, it was stuck to the wall, and the homeowners decided to go with a freestanding bathtub, and the faucetry that they chose was a European-style thermostatic faucet. On this side, the homeowners decided to go with floating cabinetry with a double sink. The countertop and the sinks are custom, made out of quartz. They also chose built-in mural faucets and soap dispensers. The double vanity have mirror doors and backlit frosted panels. Here in the bathroom, in addition to having the window as well as the regular lighting of the bathroom itself, the homeowners decided to go with some architectural lighting by installing a fake skylight. The toilet is a wall-mounted toilet, so it's got nothing underneath it like your classic toilet would have. And also, there's no tank, there's no reservoir. The reservoir is built into the actual wall. For the shower area, they basically decided to go with a shower that has no sill or threshold and no door attached to it as well. So essentially, the only thing that separates the bathroom from the shower area is a panel of tempered glass. So as you can see, there were a lot of very complex elements in this project. We had a wall-mounted toilet, we had some floating cabinetry, a freestanding bathtub, all things that can't really be done by an amateur. So RenoAssistance was able to refer a 360-degree verified contractor who had all the skills and knowledge able to make sure that the project was done well, would last a very long time, and would be a very pleasing experience for the homeowners as well.